What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how can you actually find supported desktop browsers for streaming CBS Live TV through your TV provider. So before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So you can easily just type in on your search engine which browsers are supported for streaming CBS. But as you are already in this video, I'm gonna go through the list of those browsers with you. So if you want to have an optimal streaming experience on desktop, you need to use the latest available versions of the supported browsers. And which are those browsers? Well, those browsers are of course Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Internet Explorer. Well, unfortunately, this last mentioned one, which is Internet Explorer, is no longer supported. So if you're using Windows 8, please use one of the other supported browsers or any specific options. So basically, for all of these options is you need to have at least Windows 8 or macOS X 10.9 or above. So if you're using Mozilla Firefox, the specifications are the same, but you can actually use it, the version of 48 on macOS X 10.6 to 10.8, but if you need any higher, you need to have 10.9 plus. So basically only Microsoft Edge is supported on Windows 10 plus, and all of the others are required of Windows 8. So if you're using a mobile browser, what you need to use is iOS 11 or Safari and Android 5 and Chrome. So I already done a in-depth video on which browsers are supported, so you can also check that out. This is kind of where to find it, and I already talked about it. So the other video is about the browser itself, the specifications, and everything else you need to know, which is an in-depth guide. So make sure to follow us, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.